Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to give you a detailed look at the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X, a feature-rich and cost-effective power plant that offers dependable performance. It is seen by many as a strong candidate to compete with well-known rivals such as Bluetti and EcoFlow. So let's get started and find out if this charging station lives up to the hype. The American company Goal Zero is well known for emphasizing portable energy solutions. The business is currently a favorite among emergency preparedness and outdoor enthusiasts due to its reputation for quality, dependability, and environmentally responsible innovation. The Yeti 1000X power station, which uses solar compatibility to keep customers off the grid, is a prime example of Goal Zero's dedication to sustainability, quality, and endurance. With a durable body made of plastic and metal, the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X is made to last. The dual handles make it easy to carry, even though its 14.4 kilos weight may make it a little heavy to move. This device seems sturdy, and Goal Zero has made mobility a top priority without sacrificing durability. With a constant pure sine wave output for delicate electronics and a continuous power capacity of up to 1,500 watts and a 3,000 watt surge capability, Yeti 1000X can manage high-demand items like power tools and refrigerators. Significant energy is available for a variety of uses thanks to its 1,030 watt-hour battery capacity. The Yeti 1000X's numerous input and output ports provide a great deal of versatility. Two USB-A 12 watts ports, a USB-C 18 watts port for quick smartphone charging, and a USB-C PD 60 watts connector for laptops and other powerful devices are all included. Additionally, it has Anderson power pole connectors, 12-volt outputs, and even an input for a car charger. The station itself can be charged using your automobile, a wall outlet, or solar panels. There are two setups for rapid power-ups. It takes roughly 7 to 8 hours for a 120 watts charger to fully recharge. An optional 600 watts rapid charger that takes about 2 hours to charge. For off-grid use, the station also supports solar charging. With a strong 600 watt solar system, it may be fully charged in 2 to 3 hours. The Yeti 1000X's uninterrupted power supply capabilities is a crucial component for power reliability. This enables it to charge and power gadgets at the same time, which is an essential feature during prolonged power outages. The Yeti 1000X produced 864 watt-hours at full discharge in practical tests. Considering that the internal inverter uses some energy during the process, this supports the manufacturer's assertion. The Yeti 1000X demonstrated a strong protective cutoff feature by dependably maintaining 1,500 watts and shutting off at 1,950 watts. The Yeti 1000X, which is reasonably priced compared to other models, stands out thanks to its sturdy construction, numerous ports, and Goal Zero's reputable quality. Even while it does not have all the high-end capabilities of more expensive models, its reasonably priced setup provides great value, making it a great backup option for many. A strong, dependable power source that meets all the requirements for off-grid excursions or backup power is the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X. The Yeti 1000X is a great choice whether you're planning a camping vacation, being ready for an emergency, or just want a reliable backup for your home. It combines Goal Zero's renowned quality with eco-friendly charging options, durability, and adaptability. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.